Hey guys, welcome back to Next Gen Blogger. And first of all, I would like to thank all of you, all who have subscribed to me, all who watch my videos and comment on my videos. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you all for giving me so much support and love. Um, Today's video is a bit different. Normally, I record tutorial videos on VSDC. If you see my YouTube channel, you will notice that. But for some reason, now my main laptop just crashed, and I am not able to record those videos. This is my backup laptop, so I just can't do anything about that. And because of the pandemic and lockdown everywhere, uh, I have not been able to take my laptop to the service center. So that's why I cannot record the tutorial videos. But besides that, in this video, I would like to talk about some stuff which I learned over time, and I would like to share with you. Um, I hope it brings some value to you. Um, Now, the first thing which I wanted to share with you is the screen recording softwares. So I have been using couple of screen recording softwares, and in my opinion, two softwares which particularly stood out for me is FreeCam and Open Broadcaster software OBS. So both are free and open source software. Well, FreeCam has a pro version as well, but the um, the free version is enough for you to record videos smoothly. Um, and OBS, as you know, is a really popular software for streaming, live streaming. So both these softwares are, according to me, are really good for screen recording stuff. Um, One thing which I noticed is that if you don't have really good laptop or computer with high RAM and storage, this kind of sometimes, because I personally know that OBS, I actually tried to record OBS on this laptop and the quality was really not good. It really was, let's just say it was bad. And it's the same with FreeCam also. But FreeCam, to some extent, you can make some changes to the size of the recording portion, and you can kind of make some things work. But OBS, particularly if your laptop is not good, it just the quality will turn out really bad. And so that's one thing which I wanted to say about both these softwares. But apart from that, these two softwares are really great. And if you want if you want to record your screen, I would recommend you check both of these softwares out. The next is video editing software, which you know that I like VSDC free video editor. That's why I have those VSDC tutorials in my channel. Um, so I like this because I have used other video editing softwares as well, but personally VSDC stood out for me because it was easy, and it also had couple of more features which any other normal free video editing software did not have. Um, so yeah, that's why I like this video editor. Now, just to give you uh, some knowledge, if you want to learn about video editing in VSDC free video editor, um, VSDC free video editor has a official YouTube channel. Um, you can go check that out. This is the link. I will also put all these links in below in the description. So they have the official YouTube channel, and the tutorial videos there are pretty good also. But the problem is a lot of the previous videos, there was no voiceover. So the tutorial videos previously were literally, they were kind of showing you how to do things, but that's not how you understand what is exactly happening in the video editor. So, but recently I think the guys who run that YouTube channel, they kind of started doing voiceovers and kind of explaining what they are doing in the video as well. So I recommend you check that out. So this is one thing. Now, image editing software is also a very important software, and how do you make YouTube thumbnails or the YouTube channel art or Twitter cover or Facebook page cover photo? All these things need um, image editor basically. And GIMP, according to me, is really the best free and open source software for image editing. I've been using it for over 2 years now, and it's really awesome. You guys can download it for free on www.gimp.org. And again, if you want to learn, if you're entirely or new to GIMP, there is a channel with the name Logos by Nick YouTube channel, and it's really awesome. You can check that out. Particularly, there is one video in that channel, Pro Thumbnail Design with Free Software GIMP, which is really good because I learned a lot of thumbnail designing techniques watching just that one video from his channel. He also does other videos as well related to GIMP as well as Inkscape, but I highly recommend you go and watch his YouTube channel if you want to learn about GIMP. So in image editing, I would recommend download GIMP. Um, Now, this is something which recently just popped up, the Google Docs suite. So I have been using Microsoft products since a long time, but when I also stumbled on Google Docs, and I really liked it actually. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. All three of them are pretty useful, pretty great. And though Microsoft Office Suite is still the best because it has just so much features packaged in one official suite, Google Docs, Sheet, and Slides can get you the basics things done, and they also have a system of Chrome Store or something like that. I don't remember the name exactly, but where you can download certain extensions of all types. So whatever you can do in Microsoft Office Suite, you can also do in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides by downloading extensions um, and using it. So there are extensions for literally every type of work or every type of anything that you want to do in that particular store. So I would recommend you to check this out. Although um, it's nothing new. Google Docs suite has been there pretty much since forever. I don't even remember when it came, but I have been seeing this on the official Google site since a long time. And finally, I would like to talk about WordPress customization because a lot of people who start blogs, they struggle a lot with launching a blog. So I have deliberately used the word customization here because launching a blog is one thing and making that blog successful or getting traffic to that blog is another thing. So if you want to learn about launching a blog, so I would recommend you go to a YouTube channel called Website Learners. So they're really the best. There are other YouTube channels as well. I think WP Beginner is another one, and mostly there are other YouTube channels talking about WordPress customization. But I recommend you to go to check Website Learners because, in fact, I launched the WordPress blog of this YouTube channel, nextgenblogger.com, watching their videos, and I can tell you that they are really good. You can just go and check their videos out. It's really awesome. So these are some of the things which I wanted to talk about. I'm unable to make VSDC tutorial videos right now, editing tutorial videos. So I thought I would like to share some other things with you, which I have learned over the years. Which softwares are good and which softwares are not that much good, and just to bring that entire resource in one particular video, which I think might be, I hope this is of some use to you. um, If you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once again, just thank you all for showing me so much love and support. Thanks for watching.